Welcome back. Appointment of Davlat Havaldar as South Goa District Election Officer is objected by Advocate R.S. Rodrigues. Chief Electoral Officer has referred the matter to Election Commission of India. Meanwhile, sources say Carnival celebration is yet to get permission of election authorities.
Pawan Kumar Sen, who was in news for stopping the convoy of Robert Vadra, was to be appointed as the South Goa District Election Officer. But later, Davlat Havaldar was appointed as District Election Officer on Tuesday. But Irish Rodrigues in his complaint says that Davlat Havaldar is affiliated to a political personality.
Because he has filed a complaint against appointment of Sri Davlat Havaldar as DEO South, claiming his affiliation with a particular political personality. The matter has been referred to the commission today for.
Couple of days back, flying squad had raided premises of a church and priest in Valley after receiving complaints of money being there for distribution. Many people in Valley were upset over this act of authorities. The flying squad seized only 6,000 rupees at the site.
Finally, they found only 6,000 rupees.
But which condition behind it? So it is returned back. No. Returned back?
No.
6,000 seize केले.
Seize.
Election officials have also clarified that media organizations can conduct pre-poll survey. However, election office is yet to give permissions for carnival celebrations in Goa. Required files and permissions for the festival are yet to be cleared. Our reporter Rakesh Kandorkar with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Wednesday witnessed a day of revolt in Congress party. Pravin Zantye, a Congress aspirant, has tendered his resignation. On the other side, Dinar Tarcar has joined the MGP to contest from Santa Cruz constituency. Isidore Fernandez is also upset with the delay in announcing candidate in Concon.
Pravin Zantye has resigned from the Congress on Wednesday along with his supporters. He informed that he would contest the forthcoming poll independently. He further said that he will not support the Congress party.
लोकांनी हाजे रिएक्शन दाखयतले हांव तुमकां गॅरंटी दिता लोक हाजेर रिएक्ट करतले म्हजे बरे बरे मित्र बरे मागते जे सोसायटीतले एज्युकेटेड लोक आसात दे हॅव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट इट आनी बरोवन घेयात फुडल्या 9 तारखेचे रिजल्टा भितर तुमकां कळटले कितें रिजल्ट
अजून सांगू ना इलेक्शन इंडिपेंडंट लढयतले की ना
हांव इंडिपेंडंट लढयतलो आतां एक गोष्ट सांगूंक सोदता हांव फक्त बऱ्या पार्ट्यांक सपोर्ट करतलो ज्या पार्ट्यान ह्या लोकांक धोको दिला ह्या पार्ट्यां कडेन हांव रावचो ना हो म्हजो स्टँड
काँग्रेसी कडेन
रावपाचो ना.
Vice President of the Congress in Goa, Shambhubhau Bandekar, was upset with the Congress's decision to give multiple tickets in one family. He said that he will support Pravin Zantye in his political plans.
जे 12 तिकिटी 11-12 तिकिटी 5 फॅमिलीक दिला ही अत्यंत दुर्दैवी गोष्ट आसा. काँग्रेस पक्षान ह्याच्या पयलीच्या इतिहासान हे केन्नाच केल्ले ना. हो वायट पायंडो काँग्रेस पक्षान पाडलेलो आसा आणि हेची फळां म्हाका दिसता काँग्रेस पक्ष येता त्या निवडणुकीत भोगची पडटली. जर ऐन वेळार जर काँग्रेस पक्ष त्यांचो घात करता जर जाय जाल्यार काँग्रेस पक्षाचो घात काँग्रेस पक्षाचेच कार्यकर्ते करतले अशें म्हाका दिसता.
Dinar Tarcar also resigned from the primary membership of Congress. He criticized family politics in the Congress. He informed that he would join regional party in Goa. He is likely to contest from Santa Cruz constituency on BJP-MGP alliance ticket.
आणि आता निमाण्या वेळार ह्यो अश्यो टिकेटी वाटप म्हणजे फुडलो येणारो सरकार कसो आसतलो काय हाजेर एक विचार आयलो. हय राजकीय क्षेत्रांत म्हजे विचार आसा ते कदाचित आयज फाल्यां स्पश्ट करतलो.
रिजनल पार्टी काय नॅशनल पार्टी जॉइन करतली?
म्हजें मत एक अशें आसा की गोंया खातीर एक मजबूत रिजनल पार्टी जावची हो विचार म्हाका दिसता हांव तुमचे समोर आज नाजाल्यार फाल्यां भितर प्रकट करतलो.
Isidore Fernandez, an aspiring candidate of the Congress in Concon, is also upset with the party's delay in announcing the candidate in Concon. This move by Isidore is following assumptions of Congress ticket to be allotted to Vijay Pai Khod.
They are only come to ask the Congress High Command why it is delayed. It is not a question of your ticket. No. It is only a question of delay. Why they have delayed Concon ticket?
South Goa MP Francisco Sardinia's son, Shalom Sardinia, has also decided to quit the Congress party. He will contest as an independent candidate from Kurturi.
What surprises me is that they have given 13 people who have got family ties people, either brothers, sisters, daughters, whatever. It is really surprising that I'm the only one who was left out. Maybe being honest, being educated, having a vision to do something for Goa is not what the Congress has. The fact is, they should give people who are clean, people who are honest, people who have a vision to do something for Goa, not just loot and plunder.
Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Ravinder Dalvi.
Valanka Alamau was disappointed as Victoria Fernandez is denied the Congress ticket. She says that Mommy is her motivation. She collected her B form from the Congress House on Wednesday. 13 February is the last day of filing nomination. Majority of candidates are yet to file their nominations.
Finally, Valanka Alamau got the Congress ticket in Banauli. Her name was declared in the second list on Tuesday. Valanka Alamau and Kalangut candidate Agnel Fernandez collected B form from the Congress House on Wednesday. Valanka says that she is disappointed as Mami is denied ticket from Santa Cruz.
Mami has been one of a leader and a woman I have always looked up to. Until date, Amota, she is one of the best leaders as far as Goa and women is concerned. And I personally, I am disappointed for her because I have always looked up to her and I will always look up to her. I am a General Secretary of the Congress Party and today the Congress Party has given me a very big responsibility by giving me this ticket of Benalim constituency. And I can say that I have to do a lot because I owe a lot to the people of Benalim.
Dominic Saville Fernandez, a Janata Dal candidate for Panji constituency, filed his nomination on Wednesday in Panji. He was accompanied by just 5 workers. He has appealed Panjikas to elect him for the development of the capital city.
If elected, I promise to work for the general public, keeping in mind the beautification of Panjim, the historical city of Goa, the traffic woes, the unemployment problems, and the basic beautification of the Panjim city along with the rebuilding of Banurgarh Stadium.
Opposition leader and Panji MLA Manohar Parrikar is expected to file his nominations on Thursday. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The dispute of Madhai River between Goa and Karnataka can be solved through a people-to-people dialogue. This was stated by eminent social activist Medha Patkar while delivering the second lecture of Didi Kosumbi Festival of Ideas on Wednesday. She said the problem can be solved by harnessing not only water but the land as well. She spoke on the topic reviewing development paradigm, contribution of people's movements.
We saw the Narmada Tribunal sitting there for 10 full years, hearing the state and the state governments, their lawyers, their politicians, their engineers and the chief engineers, but never visited any single village community that would be affected. Everything bulldozed because the tribunal has given a verdict. And so it happens. So you stop the water upstream and you dry the downstream. Mahade to Mandavi. Dividing the river basin into the 4 parts, catchment and command, and the upstream and the downstream, you make everyone to fight the battle and battle and battle. Why can't you go by principle of subsidiarity? Harnessing not just the water but also the land. That will not easily happen. Although this is so much reasonable, logical, and also sustainable, just and cheap alternative. There is no limit to the people's power and there is no limits to analyzing the development projects and plans, and that is what the people are doing. Here in Goa, the great struggle against DuPont. सादले जी उस गांव में मुझे लेके गए थे. कौन सा गांव? केरी. आज भी रोंगटे खड़े होते हैं. किस प्रकार की यूनिटी. और उसके बाद फिर चैलेंज आया तो वो फिर खड़े हो गए. और not just DuPont but SEZs. Thanks to the government of Goa that finally they followed truth. They admitted that the people are not for giving away their lands for the special exploitation zones, as we call those. They did not accept that as the only option amongst the various options of industrialization.
Our reporter Jason Suarez for Prudent Media.
And now a look at the political events in the state.
Leader of the opposition Manohar Parrikar in a press conference in Margao has assured the Goan Seamen Association of India to fulfill their pending demands like pension, proper insurance, commissionerate for seamen, etc. if their government comes to power.
जर तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी लोकांनी दिला chance and if I become the chief minister of the state, we can sit within first 15 days to solve others. तीन गजाली, insurance protection for the job and for the loss of life or injury, pension and commissionerate. ये तीन गजाली तुमका हांव आयजूच promise करता.
PWD Minister Churchill Alema, while addressing a corner meeting at Naveli on Tuesday, assured to build mini Ravindra Bhavan and fully equipped hospital at Naveli. He alleged former Naveli MLA Luizin Falero of playing dirty politics. He also informed that he is confident of winning the election with huge margin.
Margaon Sharat, Ravindra Bhavan asa ek mini Ravindra Bhavan ye Naveli che gawan banpak तुमको हेल्थ सेंटर दुरासा तुलसुनाए एक हॉस्पिटल बनपाक पास केले हा.
Kumarzoa Congress candidate Pandurang Madkaikar informed that he is targeting a big margin for the assembly election. He wants a good ministry and good status in the cabinet.
या वर्सा म्हाका या इलेक्शन जिखपाचो प्रश्नच ना. I am targeting for the big margin, which will give me the boost to get a ministry also, to give the some good status in the cabinet. No role in giving that. There is no my personal role in giving ticket to my brother Taku Madkaikar.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.